me, just watch.
It's the Morning Brew with Friends, and we're here with Nita and Chris from the Alzheimer's Association New Mexico chapter. And I had a good time a while back with you guys because I was one of the people who got chosen to be a dancer at the gala. It was so much fun. I got to learn how to dance, I got to learn how to do everything, and then perform. I had to raise some money. And then I think we came in third or fourth. I don't remember. We didn't do stellar, but we had great fun at it when we did. It was cool. And there's another one coming up, right?
Yes, that's correct. As a matter of fact, it's Saturday, April the 2nd. It's going to be held at Hotel Albuquerque. And we have 7 dancers this year, and they're busy practicing their dances and busy fundraising. They have all sorts of events all over town. And we're inviting everybody to come out and join us and help us raise funds for the Alzheimer's Association.
That's cool.
It's going to be a fun night, and they are practicing very hard, and they have a lot of events going on.
That's cool. It was a super fun day when I got to do it. And of course I had to learn, I think it was like 2 or 3 months of dance lessons.
Yes, that's correct, exactly. A lot of them have never had dance experience, so they're very dedicated, and they've all decided that they want to continue dancing.
That's great.
After this, because they've had such a good time, and they've worked very hard. They've raised thousands of dollars, and we're asking people to join us and come out. We're almost sold out.
Already?
So, yes.
Oh, wow. So just a couple of weeks to buy tickets.
We're hoping that people come out and finish buying up the tables and reserving a table, and we're going to have a silent auction that night. And it's going to be a lot of fun, and it's the theme is Casino Royale.
Oh, very cool.
So it's James Bond.
So I have an excuse to wear my tux.
Absolutely.
I love it.
Most
I
definitely.
drink a bunch of martinis.
Exactly. Oh, that's yes.
Shaken, not stirred. That's
right.
it. So you guys want to talk this morning a little bit about the dementia-capable providers and person-centered solutions.
Yes.
Now that sounds like that's a mouthful at 7:15 in the morning, but what does that actually mean?
Yes. What we're doing is we're having a conference in a week and a half, and it's going to be at the Sandia Resort and Casino, and it's going to be Wednesday, March the 23rd, and Thursday, March the 24th. And we're going to have 20 speakers. We're going to have a lot of healthcare providers. It's $160 for physicians. It's $110 for mid-level providers, and $75 for the public and for students. And we're encouraging everyone to come out because we're going to be sharing a lot of new cutting-edge research techniques and a lot of caregiving as far as just interacting with the dementia patient. And we're really encouraging people to come out and sign up and
I think for a lot of us, dementia's touched a lot of our lives. You know, I think in my life it has, I think in everybody's life, dementia and Alzheimer's.
Yes.
And it is a very common thing. What do you guys need now going forward in 2016? Are you guys looking for funds? Are you guys looking for more volunteers? Are you looking for people to be involved? What do you guys need, Chris?
All of the above, actually. Anita can talk more about sponsorships and things like that that are always helpful. But we are a nonprofit, so everything we do really comes from the constituents participating and giving what they can, whether that's financially or through volunteering. But we can use all of that all the time. So.
Very cool. So how many folks do you guys have on staff, and what is it that you guys are actually doing this year? It seems like it's so broad, the association.
The education, very much so. We're here for the caregiver, and we have a lot of resources. And
people don't realize the resources are free. You guys help a lot, right?
We do have a lot of things. So we're a statewide chapter, the Alzheimer's Association New Mexico chapter. So in addition to our Albuquerque office, we also have regional offices in Farmington, Las Cruces, Santa Fe, and Roswell. So we can provide all these services anywhere in New Mexico. And we do a lot, you know, in addition to ongoing educational programs that we have for caregivers. We also have support groups. We do early stage engagement so that people with the disease can participate in different activities. We assist caregivers with respite reimbursement because financially it can be a huge drain. We do a lot of networking with the other aging departments in New Mexico. So even if we can't answer a person's question, we can usually connect them with a person who can. We have a toll-free helpline. That's 1-800-272-3900. So people can call that number anytime, day or night. 170 different languages. So,
wow.
Yeah, so it's a lot that we do. So anything that people can do to assist, we appreciate.
Right. Well, what are the major challenges you guys see people with dementia, with Alzheimer's face? I mean, is it really just having the right kind of caregiving? Is it finding the right kind of treatment? Is it finding the right kind of home?
I think the big part of it, and I think that's why this upcoming conference is so important, what I hear just anecdotally a lot from both caregivers and people who have been diagnosed is the entree into the system is so difficult. Finding people who understand the disease, even in the medical community, and giving an appropriate diagnosis, and then helping shepherd them through what the next steps of care should be, always a problem. And so when we talk about creating dementia-capable providers, that's really what this conference is about, is making people in the medical community aware of what the issues are and what caregivers want.
Is there a shortage of people right now who are specialists in this?
Yeah.
Yeah.
In New Mexico, we hear it constantly. The wait to get in to see somebody, even for an initial diagnosis, can sometimes be months.
Wow.
Yeah.
So how do we recruit more doctors who are specialists in this to the state then?
Well, currently we have 36,000 people in New Mexico that have dementia, and there's 106,000 unpaid caregivers.
Wow.
And they're the unsung heroes.
Several members of my family have been those unsung heroes.
Yes, very much so. And we really encourage that they come together and they have a plan for the person that they're caring for. And we are an incredible resource here locally. So we encourage people to come in and to call us and participate, volunteer, do whatever they can to help us. And we have these flyers all over town advertising our conference.
Right.
And we'd like to definitely recognize UNM, the Health Sciences Center, Brain and Behavioral Health Institute. They've been very instrumental in helping us plan this. And we actually have a speaker that's coming in from France.
Ooh.
And he is going to, Dr. Bruno Vellis, and he is going to be speaking on the Mediterranean diet and diet and dementia and how it affects dementia. And then we're going to have other speakers that are going to talk about music and memory and what music is doing to stimulate the memory of a lot of these
A lot of the patients.
dementia patients. Yes.
That's great. Well, hey, thank you. And we'll be back in a couple of seconds on the Morning Brew with Friends. We got our friend Pamela Herndon from the Southwest Women's Law Center coming in just a couple of seconds. And we'll see you guys on April 2nd. I'll put my tux on.
All right.
Wonderful.
Sounds
We
like
look
a
forward
plan.
to it. Thank you.